Hey guys doing?
What's going on, my man?
Hey, yeah.
What can I do for you guys?
Team shower.
Team shower, you got it. Give me 1 second over there, okay?
Customer 37, your shower is ready. Please proceed
Hey,
to
yes, sir.
shower
Thank you.
6.
Tell me, baby, do you want it? 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 Tell me, baby, do you want it? Baby, do you want it? Alright guys, so this is my shower routine. I have my shampoo, my face wash, my conditioner, my body wash, my exfoliant scrub, my razor, this little tan lotion I've been trying out. I got my hairbrush, all my other little stuff, deodorant, my toothbrush, my gloves, and yeah, now it's time to go get in the shower. Alright guys, y'all are literally propped up in the most weird place. I forgot my little suction cups. I set you on top of the soap. It's a really weird angle and the lighting in here sucks, so sorry. But we just got out of the shower and honestly it was much needed. It was so good. I don't know how y'all like taking showers, but most people always think that girls like taking really hot showers. Me personally, I like lukewarm showers. Like, I don't know if that's psychotic behavior, but a lukewarm shower does it for me every time. So yeah, the only time I really like my shower to be hot is if I'm cold, but other than that, I like a nice lukewarm shower. But we're about to brush our teeth. Because honestly, look how pasty I am. Like, pasty white. And honestly, I'm pretty sure it's genetics. And it sucks because who wants to just be pasty all year round? And then my mom tans. My dad tans. So I don't know whose genetics they came from, but they could take them all back and give me some good genetics of tan skin. Because this right here is not it. The amount of work I have to go through to still be pale. Come on, girl. Like, be real. So hopefully it starts. And it says it's firming, so maybe it'll just firm my skin too. But I do like the consistency because the consistency is like a regular lotion. It's not like thick and like creamy and thick and hard to rub in. It's really smooth and it dries really quick. But you do have to wash your hands after still because you don't want your hands to be all brown. So yeah. Also, this truck stop we're at, guys, it has a Taco John's. And Taco John's is like love of my life. If you've never ate there, eat there. Their hash browns are the best hash browns on this whole planet. I don't really know if you could put this on your face. It's funny. I don't know. Where do I see though? I have really sensitive skin, so I hope this don't break me out. This might be a mistake. If anyone else has used this, did y'all get good results? And did y'all put it on y'all's face? Let me know. Girl, I just told y'all to wash y'all's hands after y'all put this on. I did not do that. Let me do that. I was supposed to get my hair done last time we went home, but our schedule was literally so busy. We're moving into a new house, so we had like a billion things to do. And then my sister-in-law, she's moving, so we had to help her move stuff. And like, it's just a whole bunch of people moving, which every spring and summer in this family is usually when it happens. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to get my hair done. So let's pray that next time I go home, I can get it done, because your girl is trying to go lighter, because I haven't been light forever. Last time I said I was going to go darker to my natural hair color, but then I seen pictures of like my hair when it was blonde. I'll show you guys. But I was like, ooh, I need to go back to that. Alright guys, the worst part about showering on your truck is you have to dry all your stuff off after you're done and put it back in your bag, unless you're lazy and you just put your stuff in there wet and nasty, and that's it. So yeah, we have to dry everything off, put it in our bag, and yeah, then we're done. I usually let my hair air dry. I'm gonna take it down once I get back in the truck. I usually let it air dry. I'm gonna try the heatless curls tonight after it dries. I tried that once. It was a disaster, so we're gonna try again. But yeah, our shower is done, and now it's time to just clean everything up. Fits for Forever 21, I believe, and yeah, let's go.